Hi, my name is Vicky. Today we'll see how to list a product on Amazon. So before you list a product, there are a few details that you need to be aware of. So the first thing you need to be knowing is your category for your product. So if you are selling a shoe item, you need to list in the shoe category. And if you are selling a bag item, that needs to be placed in the bag category. So wrong category is not permissible. And other than that, there is also title, which must be minimum of 200 characters in length. And next is the UPC. So UPC code is necessary if you are not a brand registered. If you are brand registered, that is not required. Then there is SKU, which is also unique, and it can be anything that you want. Again, just like SKU, UPC is also unique. Next is the images. The images has to be 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels, and it should have, the primary image should have white background, and there should be up to minimum 5 images and up to 8 images. So now we'll look into the Amazon Seller Central to see how this is created. So in the Amazon Seller Central, I go into add inventory, add a product. So here I go to the option create a new product listing. So the first thing you have to do is select your product category. So I am listing a shoe accessories. So you have the list of all the options, and some products will be available within the subcategories of each of these major, the prime category. So I am having a shoe product, so I'll go into shoes and handbags option. So in that, shoe care and accessories. And overshoes. So that is my category, but you can see there are other categories also. I will select the overshoes option, and now the first option is to upload the images. So I'll go to the images and select the first image with white background. So open, and I will add the rest of the images. The rest of the images need not compulsorily have white background. It can be any type of images, but it should be 1000 by 1000 size. Please ignore the error message. So now I'll press save and finish option. So when this is done, you will see the errors if there are any. So as you can see in my listing, there are all the details that I have missed, which are marked in red. Then there is also the option to advanced view. So this will show you even more options and even more customizations and details that can be provided in the Amazon. So I'll start off with the product ID, the item name, brand name, department name, size, collection, everything needs to be mentioned. So you can see it is marked in star. So I'll select the product ID as UPC, is in DTC, whatever it is, and the product title, everything. So I'll go to my document, I'll select the product title, which should be descriptive, should have all the information about the product. Next is the brand name. So brand name is category shoe cover, and department is unisex because it's a unisex product. And next is the size of the product, which is small, and collection, that can be skipped if you don't want to mention it. So next is the description. So description can be copy pasted as it is, and then there are the bullet points. Again, I'll copy paste the bullet points. So that is the bullet point description. So next is the most important thing, keywords. So keywords should not be repeated, should not be comma separated. There should be no commas. Should not use the competition's brand name. It should be related to the product but not the competitors or any other information. So I paste the information there, and now I go to the offer. So again, seller SKU, it can be anything. So it is entirely up to you what seller SKU you want to provide. Then there is the price and quantity options also. Now let me go into variations and show you how to list a product as a variation. So my product variations has 2 sizes. So I will select size name and mention first size, which is small. Then I have another size in medium. So those are the 2 variations of the product that I'm listing. So I will have a SKU. It can be anything, but it should be unique. So two variations cannot have the same SKU. So I'll put cat, SO1 cat, M for medium, just for you to identify M01. Now the product ID will be the UPC. So I'll include the UPC for each of the product, which is again unique. Each variation has its own UPC code. So condition is new, and my price for the product is $2.99, which is the selling price. I'll keep the quantity for 0 now, and I also need to give the MRP. So I'll do the MRP as $4.99, and handling time once the order comes, because I'm shipping this item myself, will be 1 day. So 1 day after the order is placed is the handling time. Again, you can select the options FBA or fulfilled by merchant. So once you check all the details are good, you save and finish the listing. So as you can see here, the product listing has been updated and submitted. So within 15 minutes this listing will be activated and the listing will show up in the Amazon store. If you like this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Please leave your comments and questions below and hit the bell icon.